Hello, today we're going to talk about how we can maintain the Shimano MTB RD clutch. First, we will need the grease for the Shimano Shadow RD Plus. Then we'll need a screwdriver, 2mm, to unscrew the 3 bolts that has the clutch cover. Okay, so let's screw them out one by one. Then we will see the Shimano mountain bike or gravel bike clutch mechanism. Okay, so now we're seeing the clutch mechanism. The way it works is that it has a locking mechanism and you can adjust the tension, which will adjust the friction between the band and the oval or round cylinder. You can adjust the friction for it. And now we're going to use the Allen key to lose the tension and get that cylinder out. Then we apply some Shimano rear derailleur grease for the cylinder, and remember to put it at the outside of the cylinder or inside of the clamp band. So just a thin layer should be good enough. Okay, now let's put it back to the clamp and then put it back on. So here let's test to see if it works. So now we can see by changing the clutch switch on and off, we could not see any difference. There's no tension. What I did wrong over here is that the locking mechanism is inverted 180 degrees, and after installing it the correct way, then we can see it will have tension once we switch the clutch on. Okay, so now one more thing we need to keep in mind that there's the rubber seal to avoid water or vapor getting into the clutch mechanism. Let's grease it as well. Okay, also put a thin layer of grease and put it back on. Okay, then the last step will be to screw the okay. Then if you do all of the things correctly, then you will probably get it done within 5 minutes. I usually do it, once every 200 miles, but it depends on how you use them. But one thing we need to keep in mind that if your cage feel kind of rusty, or if the cage is not moving freely, then you will need to maintain it. Okay, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much.